You can open the road, driveway, or parking lot to traffic immediately after repairing a pothole when the chosen repair material and technique are rated for immediate return to service. Choose a high-quality cold patch or hot mix formulated for rapid compaction and immediate load bearing, and ensure the pothole is cleaned of loose debris and standing water before placement. Compact the material in layers using a hand tamper, vibratory plate, or vehicle wheel passing over a protective board until you achieve interlock and a dense surface. For deeper repairs, fill in lifts no thicker than 4 inches to avoid voids. If using an engineered flowable polymer modified material, follow the manufacturer cure times exactly. But many of these products are designed for immediate traffic and will bond within minutes. For edge stability, feather the perimeter and compact beyond the existing pavement to create a firm shoulder, which reduces water infiltration and further deterioration. Always check ambient temperature and moisture conditions because extreme cold or wet surfaces reduce compaction effectiveness and may require additives or alternate scheduling. Document the repair location, material used, and compaction method so you can monitor performance and identify any recurring failure patterns for future preventive maintenance. Common mistakes include leaving the pothole contaminated with loose dust or water, which prevents proper adhesion and leads to early failure, so always sweep and dry the hole, or use a propane torch or compressed air to remove moisture before filling. Another problem is under compaction or overlarge single lifts that settle under traffic. So compact in controlled lifts and verify density by feel or with a plate gauge when possible. A third issue is choosing the wrong material for traffic demands, such as using a generic temporary cold mix on a high-volume drive, which ruts quickly. Match material performance to traffic loads and exposure, and consider polymer modified or hot mix for heavier use. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lets us post project details to attract bids for pothole repair and maintenance. We also host a discussion community where we and other users share real-world tips, ask questions, and compare materials and methods.